Sawadee-kap! Magandang araw sa inyo guys! Welcome back to Pinoy Thai Family Channel. Ayun! As usual! Na-miss nyo ba ako? Na-miss nyo ba si Sunny? Kayo, miss na miss namin kayo. Ulitin ko, sobrang busy ngayon from the past week ng trabaho. Kaya Monday to Friday, puro trabaho. Nakakapag-vlog lang ako. Yan, pag Sabado, Linggo. And then Monday to Friday, dahil busy, wala na ako ibang content. So wala ako ibang content guys na maisip kasi puro sa office lang and then trabaho. Okay? So today topic natin is about sa MGZS and then also related sa shift gear. Actually, madami nagka-question or nakikita ko sa mga post, comments sa ibang MG groups like MGZS Philippines, MGZS Chile, MGZS Sri Lanka, UK at saka anywhere else na mga nakikita ko may mga MGZS groups. Nakikita ko sa kanila na nagpo-post sila about sa shift gear or yung button na nakikita nyo sa MGZS. Ito siya. Yung hole niya. Pero actually itong shift gear na to is sobrang ini-inform siya kagad during na makuha mo yung car sa Thailand. And after you get the car, the agent will explain to you. Okay? Yung shift gear na to. The reason is, alam niyo naman ang parking sa Thailand. Grabe. Ang dami ko nakikitang video related sa Thailand na parking. Worst parking. Ugliest parking sa Thailand. Pakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung itsura ng parking sa Thailand. So yan, di ba nakita niyo yung parking sa Thailand? Talagang sobrang worst yan. May mga video pa yan, makikita niyo sa YouTube. So syempre, pag ganyan ang parking, dapat hindi niyo nilalak hindi nyo pinapark para ma-push siya. Ito yung sasabi ko na pag-push guys ha. So yan, nakita niyo yung parking. So mostly nagpa-park siya parallel sa front ng parking para pag in case hindi siya nilalak, mapupush siya pag lalabas yung isang car. So okay, dahil madami tayong mga nag-request from Chile, Sri Lankan or mga ano na. Ang dami nagko-comment kasi daw hindi English. So kahit nosebleed ako, mag-English ako para sa kanila. Para kasi related to sa cars, especially MGZS, para ma-understand nila. So okay guys, so from the MGZS user, I will inform to you how to use the shift lock from the MGZS and then the difference between MGZS, Japan car and then the MGZS. How you need to take care of the shift lock and then the difference of it. Okay? So see you. I will go inside first on my Japan car, which is the Nissan. And then I will show to you later how we can use or how we can how to use the shift lock for an MGZS. Okay? Yes, guys. So we're back. So I'm here now at my Nissan Sunny Neo. This is a Japanese car, and then I will show you how we use the shift lock gear in this Japanese car. I think most of you already know how to use this. Okay, as you can see in here, we have your key. This is the P, R, N, and D. So you need to shift this P to N so that it can push the car and then it will lock the wheel. Okay, so this is the shift shift lock release. You can see this on the car. Normally, some of the cars you will see some buttons in here. Here, you need to push this one. After you push the button, then press this one, and then you can okay. So you press, hold. I will start again. Okay, you press this, hold, and then change the gear. Press and then change directly to N. Okay, you can see that it is already changed in N. Okay, and then if you want to return it, just no need this one, no need to shift lock, and then press only and then go back to P. Okay, press and then direct to N. Okay, then you can push already the car. So guys, okay, did you already see this one? So now we need to go to the MGZS car so that I can show you how we can use the how we can use or change the shift gear on that car, and then what is the difference. Okay, so see you guys. 1, 2, 3. Yun. So we are here now at the MGZS. So I'm here now at MGZS. So I will teach you how to use the Kevin is in my back. Okay, so I'm here now at the MGZS, so our sunny car. So I will teach you how to use the correct shift gear on our MGZS. As you can see on this MGZS, we have this is the shift gear. You can see there's the box in the shift gear, and then on this other side we have the P, R, and then N, Z. So we need to change the gear from P to N. Okay, as you can see on our Japan car, that we change the gear from P to N, that we need to click this, one and then change the gear P direct to N. But on MG, how you change the gear in here? So on our MG key, we have this key that we need to that we need to change this one. So when you click this gear, click this one, press, and then change to R, press, and then change to R, and then once you change the gear to R, one slide only, and then remove, and then change to N. Okay, that's the correct way on how you change the gear on MGZS. And then if you want to turn back to letter P, no need the hub, and then just push directly to P. Okay, the reason why you need to change to R first, put the hub and then R, and then remove and then N. The reason is it will damage the gear. This is the information I got from our agent. And then also, even you search all the details on MG, this is the one that you need to do. The thing that you need to do. Okay guys, so safe driving and then take care, okay? Okay, so we're done. Simple video, but very interesting. I'm not sure if you are also interested of this video, but I think it is also how you will taking care of your car, especially our MGZS, my sunny. Okay, so okay guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, and then subscribe. Okay, God bless guys. See you on the next vlog.